In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear bumper bracket on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. On the bottom corner of the bumper, you're going to find a 10mm bolt. Remove that on both sides. In the middle, you'll find 4 bolts. Only 3 of ours are attached. This one's broken, so we're going to remove our 3. Again, these are just 10mm bolts. On the top corner of the bumper, there's going to be a 10mm bolt. Reach up. Remove the bolt and do the same thing on the other side. Open the trunk, and under the lip, we're going to find these 2 caps. Using a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to pop these caps out. Under those caps will be 2 more 10mm bolts. Remove those. We're going to remove the corners of the bumpers from the bracket. Grab the corner of the bumper, and we're going to pull straight out and pop it off of this bracket. We're going to go to the other side and do the same thing. Under the headlights, there's going to be 1 plastic clip holding the bumper on. We're going to use a plastic trim tool. We're going to push on that tab. Slide your trim tool in here and pop this clip off. And then remove the bumper. Remove the 2 10mm bolts for the bumper bracket. Using a trim tool, we're going to pop the bumper bracket out. It has a few clips holding it on. If any of this gasket material got left on for you, you're going to want to remove it. Just take a flat blade screwdriver and scrape it off. Install the new bracket. Make sure all the clips clip into place. And install your 2 10mm bolts. Reinstall the bumper onto the vehicle. It can help to have a second set of hands for this. Line one side of the bumper up, and we're going to push our bumper into the bumper brackets. Lock it all down. Make sure it's sitting inside the clip under the taillight. Pull the bumper around, make sure it sits into place. We're missing our clip under the taillight on this side. Install the corner bolt for the bumper. Do the same thing on the other side. Make sure that these fender liners are tucked behind the bumper. Install the 10mm bolts into the back of the bumper. Close the caps. On the bottom of the bumper in the back, we're going to reinstall our 10mm screws. Reinstall the screw on the bottom corner of the bumper. And do the same thing on the other side. We can't do that on ours since it's broke, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.